Hi, we are here today at EFI Express here in Lee, New Hampshire. Today we just finished up with Matt Turner's build. He wanted a stage 6 build. This is a 6-liter with LS3 CNC ported heads and our VCM cam. This one he was going for the old school look, so once we get the dyno headers off, we'll go back to putting the coils where they belong and putting the rest of the valve covers on. It hides those coils, and then you got the old school air cleaner on there. It's got a normal throttle body on it off a Gen 4 truck, because this is a Gen 4 engine. There is a adapter under the throttle body that you can kind of see right there that bolts to a regular 4-bolt carbureted intake. This adapter is by Delmo Speed, throttle body adapter. And then we got the old school air cleaner on the top. This thing's making some pretty good horsepower. See Mark? Yep. Mark's got it pulled up over here. Nice big old curve. And look at the torque on that thing. Just torque monster.
Torque for days. Yeah, about 400, almost 400 foot-pounds of torque at the hubs.
And here's the magic number down here. We're getting 424 at the hubs of our dyno cart. Which, let's see, do the math here quick. 24. So, yeah, here's our calculations. We calculate 15% parasitic loss through our rear end, which brings it to a 498 horsepower at the crank. We did do one pull with this engine earlier that produced another 20 horsepower over this without the air cleaner on. So there is a restriction there.
Yep.
You want to pull up the torque numbers, torque peak?
Absolutely. So torque peak looks like we're about 387 foot-pounds of torque at the hubs. So again, that's high 400s, crank torque. So
yeah, so that is a torque monster.
Absolutely.
So. All right, Matt Turner. I hope I got all your information in there. I hope you enjoy your engine. We enjoyed tuning it here. If you or anybody else wants an engine like this or any other LS-based engine, give us a call at justchevytrucks.com or through a lsxforyou.com website. Thank you.